Hey guys, John Nolan here. I have a new listing coming at 4999 Stillwater. This is in Starwood of Frisco, Texas. Let's go do a walkthrough of this beautiful home. It's nearly 5,000 square feet. We have 5 bedrooms, 6 baths. Many of those baths have been updated. And here we are. Look at those floors. Beautiful oak floors throughout the home. A nice, beautiful sitting and dining area right when you walk in. This is gorgeous. Nice fireplace. Look at those big windows we have. We'll go out there in a moment. Do not want to pass up this office. This is one of the nicest executive offices I've seen. Just perfect. Look at this custom shelving. Beautiful. And then you have this executive bath. Recently redone, remodeled. Look at the details. It's beautiful. As we go back here, you have your awesome staircase. And you have a nice little wine area here. Nice laundry room. Beautiful. And then this nice open kitchen, tons of cabinets, which are recently painted. Kept all the detail, you'll see. Double oven, nice big refrigerator space. You'll have your built-in gas oven. Again, another little breakfast nook area. Great family room in here. You have a TV over there. It's a custom built piece in the wall. Beautiful big windows. That's what I love about this home. It's a pretty large home, nearly 5,000 square feet, but you still have that warm home feeling that you don't get now in these modern homes they're building, especially here in Dallas, Fort Worth, and in Frisco. Nice seating area. Here's one of your bedrooms downstairs. All the bedrooms are large, but check out the bath. Stunning. Look at this. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. We'll head back out here. We're gonna walk to the primary. You can glimpse of outside. You have a nice fountain out there. Get you another look here to that front door. Amazing. These floors, I love these floors. Large primary, again themed with these large windows, French shutters, private access to your outdoor space. And then this, one of my favorite bathrooms I've seen. When we get closer, you'll see this detail. This beautiful chandelier, this bath. It's stunning. Come in here. You can see this tile work. It's phenomenal. I love the detail. Custom work. The shine that comes off of that. Oof, it's beautiful. You have two his and hers closets. Both are large, very large. We'll go outside last. If you want to look outside, go ahead and skip towards the end of this video. You have one of your other bathrooms right in here for a guest. Let's head up the stairs, which again, you have 2 staircases. Great family living. When they built this home, they really thought it out. Nice touch here. Place to study for your kiddos, right? And then out here, we have our great play area. You can put your pool table. Get your pool table out here. Big open space. You can hang your beautiful artwork in these pieces. There's your front door, so you can kind of get a feel. I love the iron. And here you're gonna have your theater room. Kids are gonna love it. Family nights. Keep the kids at home. Beautiful. And upstairs, you're gonna have 3 of those bedrooms. Downstairs, we have the 2, plus the executive office. All the bedrooms are large. All have nice windows. I love the touch of that tree. This one features the Jack and Jill. You have your private sink, you have your doorway, you'll have your bath. You have another private sink over here. Easy into your other bedroom. Beautiful size. And then wrap around here, you'll have a private bathroom for maybe your oldest child or your girl or whoever you have. Now we're gonna head out downstairs. You know what, we'll go down this way so you can see this staircase. Beautiful. Now we're back here. Let's head out to this amazing backyard we got. You have a nice hot tub, nice spa, outdoor appliances. You can grill out here. You have your refrigerator. It's covered for your outdoor seating. Beautiful pool. You can even have more seating area over here if you'd like. And then back here, excuse this little mess here, but you have plenty of yard space here actually for your kids. And right there you'll see your is your 3-car garage, which is massive, recently painted. It's white, it's huge. It's an oversized 3-car. So that's 499 Stillwater. We'll be coming to market soon. Again, we're in Starwood of Frisco, Texas. This is one of the most premier, sought-after communities in the state of Texas. You have private security 24/7. You have armed guards at the front that you actually have to go through to see if you can get in the neighborhood. You have to be accepted by the owners. And it's a great neighborhood. It features over 500 acres. You have private trails. You have the fitness center. You have tennis courts. I'm John Nolan. This 499 Stillwater, and look forward to seeing you in the next tour. Thanks.